Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I figured that I shoot lots of my daily content on Instagram and you don't see anything like outside my house on YouTube. So I decided to take you on my day today, and it's gonna be, so that's my house. You saw a lot of it already. And all the videos, you saw it in the video where I bought the house, when I was talking about renovations. If you haven't, here's the link. But today I just woke up, I did my exercises, then I shoot 2 videos that I'm gonna share with you later. And then I was doing my homework, and now I have to head to the dealership because my car needs oil change. So I'm gonna take you with me and you're gonna see everything I'm seeing. Okay, so taking the laptop with me is I need to do my homework while I'm gonna be waiting for the car. Hey buddy, you gonna stay? Are you gonna stay? I'll see you later. Mwah. Here is the look. Okay, you wanna kiss mama? Are you gonna kiss mama? Oh, come here, kiss mama. I'll see you later. Right, so in order to get to the garage, you need to move past the laundry. And here's the garage. Kept the car running, so you definitely haven't been here. I'm planning to do like the whole organization in that section. And here's what's happening outside. It's pretty warm, like 60 degrees or so. Whatever is wrong with Illinois, it's in this wind. But otherwise it's pretty warm, 60 degrees. So gonna head to the dealership. That's what I did with the revolver. My car back. They did an oil change, and that was the last oil change that they're gonna be putting for, because my car was for lease for 3 years and that's the 3rd year, so that's my last oil change that they pay for. And the rest, if I want to keep the car and like service here, I'm gonna be paying for it myself. So nothing was due today, and I'm just taking my car and going to the mall. So let's go with it. Going to the mall finally because I need to get a gift, and I was gonna tell you that the waiting area in Lexus dealership is like so great because I always have time to do my homework, you know. And now heading to the mall. I do need maces.
This one is more concentrated. This is called ʟᴇᴛ'ꜱ. It's stronger and richer in the oils.
Right.
Night vision. This is my most popular out of all these.
It's hard. I like them all.
I know. Victor and Rolf, it's nice because it doesn't kind of follow the trend. It's different.
Yeah.
Victor and Rolf is a very unique designer. They're 2 Dutch designers. They make flower bout for women, which is unique, and then they have spice bomb for men. Yeah.
Oh, awesome. All right.
Thank you so much. I'm sure.
All right, so we've got the gift. And we're gonna stop by at one of my favorite stores. I just like love walking around the store, even if I don't have to buy anything. So many good books over here. I love this author. Anyways, got the book that I was looking for and go into the checkout. Oof, it started raining here. There's like a huge thunderstorm started. Look at the car. They just washed it at the dealership, of course. If you don't know, I do love McDonald's. Hi, baby. Did you miss Mama? You want to go outside? Alrighty. Come here. Do you mind if I let you on the leash without Mama? Because there's a thunderstorm. Come on. Come on. You're gonna be just close here, okay? All right. All right. Давай. Sit. Good boy. Wait. Let me get the leash. Okay, wait. Wait. Sit. Come on. Sit. No, sit. Good boy. Wait. Okay. All right. You go. Go outside. Wait. Go. It's only 4 something p.m. Okay, maybe almost 5, but look how dark it is. Because usually it gets dark at 7. Right now the sunset is at 7. So there's like a pouring rain. He just went outside and he's like so wet. My baby. I just love being home when the weather is like this. And I got McDonald's. So just gonna eat that and watch some movie, and then gonna continue doing my homework. They have lots of things that needs to be done. So thanks for being with me today, going with me to all the stores and everything. It was fun having you. So let me know how was the experience, if you like this kind of vlogs. Yeah. Wilson, what's going on, buddy? You gonna play? What happened? Are you okay? Are you? Oh.
Chicago runs on Duncan.
The sun is back. Look how beautiful.
The late show.
It's just so beautiful with the sun here.